just finished up day 1 of framing. We did something a little bit different on this build. Since we're going to have a furnace room right next to the bathroom and the bedroom, we decided to try to eliminate some of the sound. So what we did was we put a pressure treated 2x6 on the ground and staggered the 2x4. And the concept is that since the wood is staggered, the drywall on each side never touches each other and the insulation goes in between, so that eliminates the sound from vibrating through.